of the OC subject. So start the next lesson is trade. Trade means buying and selling of goods and services from one person to another person. In the trade, basically transfer the ownership of goods from the one person to another person, from one company to another company. Its originate from the trade was barter. In the barter system, directly exchange goods and services with another goods. It means goods exchange with the goods, but not properly measurement in the barter system. But after invention of currency, it means after invention of currency, money can exchange with the goods, and goods and trade basically emerge in the market. Trade it's refer to buying and selling of goods and services with object of earning profit. It bridges gap between the producer and consumers. The importance of trade in modern times has increased as a new product are being developed every day and are being made available for consumption throughout the world. So trade how essence is to make goods and services available to those persons who need them and are able and willing to pay for them. Trade basically intermediary in the exchange of commodities between the producer and consumers. A producer manufacture the goods and consumer consume the goods. For the production purpose, producer purchase the raw material from the supplier, make some process, and after processing, complete the finished goods. These finished goods are used by the consumers. But consumers in the urban areas and industry in the rural areas, consumer are not directly contact industry or industry not directly sell goods to consumers. So require the one intermediary between them for transferring goods from the producer to consumers. And these intermediary are known as trade. In the trade include internal trade, external trade. Trade very essential for economic development because some goods are manufactured in the one corner of the world, but goods used in another corner of the world. Just one example, Apple, their manufactures normally in the hilly areas. This example of India, Apple cultivations. Apple cultivate in the Jammu Kashmir or Himachal Pradesh, but consumption throughout the India. So require this apple purchase from the Jammu Kashmir and sell every part of India, and this intermediary known as trade. Without trade, does not bridge gap between producer and consumers because producer just only produce the goods, they have knowledge about the production, and consumer just want to consume the goods. They does not want to go to production place and purchase the goods. Also, this gap breached by the trade. So trade refers to buying and selling of goods and services with objective of earning profit. It delivers the goods from the production place to consumption place. So start the classification of trade. Trade can be classified into two categories. The first category is internal trade. When trade take place within the country or known as internal trade. A second category is external trade. When trade take place between two or more nations are called external trade. Normally internal trade are trading activities within the nation. And external trade means when trading activities between the two or more nations. In the internal trade, use the same currency, but in the external trade, use different currencies. In the internal trade, have the less taxes, but the external trade have the import duties, custom duties. So, internal trade have less limitations and external trade have more limitation. In the total lesson, I explain the what is the internal trade and what is the external trade. So start the internal trade. Buying and selling of goods and services within the boundaries of nation are called internal trade. It takes place between buyers and sellers in the same locality, a village, a town, or a city, or in different states, but definitely within the same nation. It is also known as a domestic trade or a home trade. Internal trade means a movement of goods within the geographical limits of the nation. In the internal trade, all payments are received and made in the national currency. Internal trade aims at make the distribution of goods and services within nation speedily and at a reasonable cost. In the internal trade, not required to pay custom duties or import duties to the government. By the internal trade, a producer can satisfy the own customer needs. Internal trade it means beneficial or to make good available or to the national peoples, the same citizens. The production are taken by producer in the normally rural areas, but consumption in the urban areas. So a big gap between production place and consumption place. So require the proper channel to transfer the goods from the production place to consumption place. The channel of distribution is very important in the internal trade. Usually producer making the production in another place and consumption is different place. This gap between producer and consumer is very big, and this gap can minimize by channel of distribution. Channel of distribution means is the route through which the goods are delivered to the ultimate consumers. Channels of distribution is the path or route through which products move from the place of production to the place of ultimate consumption. It is the connecting link between a producer and the consumers to sell the products. It is the route can be as short as a direct interaction between the manufacturer and the customers, or can include several interconnected intermediaries like wholesaler, distributors, agents, retailers. The next slide. The channel of distribution is classified direct and indirect interaction with the consumers. The first classification is manufacturer directly contact with the consumers. Normally in the electronic goods, the manufacturer directly sell goods to consumers, but very few goods, example laptop or mobiles. A second method, manufacturer direct sale to retailers, and retailer sell goods to consumers. This third method of channel of distribution is manufacturers sell goods to wholesalers, wholesaler sell to retailers, or normally daily use goods sell by these methods. Also, another two methods in this method involve agents. Manufacturer appoint the agents. Agents sell good to wholesaler. Wholesaler sell retailer. Or retailer sell consumers. Manufacturer also appoint the agents to sell goods direct retailers. And retailer sell to consumers. Normally, bakery products sell or direct retailer sell to consumers. These all channels are used by Indian market as per requirement of goods and consumption of the people. It also explained by another image: producer, consumer, direct consumption. Then producer, retailer, consumers. Producer, wholesaler, retailer, consumers.